Hi, my name is Dennis, and I work here at the Vance Birthplace State Historic Site. And I'm starting a new series called Details with Dennis. And the first detail I want to share with you is a tool that we have here at the site that we use to demonstrate. A tool that was around in the 1800s, pretty common at that time. It's called the hand adze, A-D-Z-E. And this particular hand adze has something cool about it that I like. It's just a neat little detail, and that detail is the little indentations on this handle. I don't know if you can see it. There's one on each side, and those indentations have happened from somebody holding it in their hand and using the wood shaping part of it millions of times, easily millions of times. And over time, this particular handle that was once oval has the indentations that will hold into your hand very tight. My fingers and my knuckles slide right into that indentation, and it hugs it really well. Anyway, it's pretty heavy. I would say this probably weighs about 6 or 7 pounds. It's got hammer on one end, which probably didn't get used a lot, but it's a double use tool, kind of fancy for the time. But anyway, I'm going to show you how it works, give you a little demonstration. You use this to shape wood. There's nothing mysterious or super amazing about that. Let's look. I don't know if you can see this, but we're going to try. This is what it looks like. This is used to shape the wood. In the absence of power tools, sandpaper, grinders, or anything like that, this takes off tiny slivers of wood a little at a time, like the thickness of a couple of sheets of paper, and it'll smooth it out. And it's kind of a skill that you have to hone, and I'm not super good at it because I don't do this all the time, but it does work. And if you keep with it, what you end up with is a much smoother surface. Now, I'm not real good at it, but that's kind of how it works. And I think that's a really neat little tool. Again, the hand adze. One of lots of tools that I'm probably going to be showing you here in the next few weeks. So stay tuned for another cool detail from me. Again, this is Dennis at the Vance Birthplace. Thanks.